In this video, I will show you how to add a phone number on Shein. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is come across to the Shein website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come and hover over the profile icon up in the top right hand corner, and on this menu that comes up, what you want to do is come and click onto my profile. Now once you're on your profile, what you want to do from here is come over to the left hand side, and in this menu on the left hand side, under the My Account section, you want to come down and click where it says Manage My Account. Now, this is where you can come to add a phone number. As you can see, we've got the option here to add a phone number. Once you've added and verified your phone number, you will now be able to log in directly just using your phone number. So all you need to do is click the Add button next to phone number. Then what you want to do is add your phone number into the box here. And once you've done that, just click the Send button next to the verification code box. What's going to happen is a verification code is going to be sent to your mobile phone, and what you want to do is enter that into the box here. Once you've added your verification code, tick the two boxes underneath, and then what you can do is click on to confirm. At this point, it might ask you to do a quick security check, which is normally going to be a verification code which is sent to your linked email. So what you want to do is check your email for the verification code, click onto the submit button, and once you've done that, you should be good to go. As you can see, the phone number has now been added to my account. And if you do want to change this at any point, you just need to come back to this screen. You're going to see an option to change and also unbind, in which case you can also remove that number from your account as well. So that is how to add a phone number on Shein. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.